Train Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind on Nha Trang, Vietnam.
Okay, this is Nha Trang University. I guess it's about 30,000 students. They won't let me go explore the campus, but I am outside, so I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of go around and explore all of these neighborhoods all in this area, and you can see all the kind of cool looking buildings. And you just kind of, oh, actually, slip up there too. So anyways, we're gonna go around and check out this, and I think we're gonna kind of either go down this way or this way and see what's all in here. Nha Trang University. Nha Trang University. So I'm gonna put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And the music I created, I'll put the lyrics shortly. And I'm also going to explain a little bit that I don't actually get into the university. I'll be walking around it and then even over to the ocean. So we're basically almost going like a 3/4 of a circle all the way around it. But we're starting at the entry gate where I try to get in and I cannot. So we're going to be doing the walk and talk where I go all the way down to the ocean and then go around the other side of it and on out. So it kind of gives you an idea of the neighborhood and just kind of the general feel in that community, especially if somebody is interested in the university and just kind of want to see what's around it. So this would probably be the video for you. Or if you just want to see Nha Trang in general, this is also the video for you. Or if you just love Vietnam, the video for you. Let's go see it with a walk and talk narration. So that's a university in there that we can't go into. Something just dropped out of that tree. That's strange. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try to go in this bright sun and walk around a little bit. Here's what it says right here. Looks like I could actually go that way, but I just talked to the security guard and he said no. Nha Trang University right there. So we're just basically outside the front gate. Love that Vietnamese architecture. Okay, let's go over there. Yeah, I love that architecture. I just think it's just like all the, you know, the rooftops, the big windows, the balconies, just like everything about it. Okay, it's like right outside the gate. There's also this coffee shop. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start walking downhill and just exploring and seeing where we end up. I wish I could see more students, but it's like all teddy bear things. Got some food. So yeah, we're outside the front gate of Nha Trang University, so I guess that's also part of it right there. And we'll just walk along and see what we can all find. Huh. Like a little cafe. There's a foreigner in the cafe too. Sometimes these alleys are quite interesting. but that one doesn't look that interesting. Okay, something smells great though. Wow. Photocopy place. So a lot of stuff for students. Bunbo Hoi. And then they got a nice giant hotel over here. Milano. And that's Italian. Oh, it's a coffee shop. Okay. So we're still outside the gate. It says dormitories right there. Let's go up here a little bit and see. Got an ice cream shop, got a market, and kind of different stuff like this. And I guess that's the university right there. Putting this cannon. So yeah, I think that's all. It said dormitories up there. Sports center, it says there. I think that might be the emblem up on the top there. So we are kind of following it along. Let's see what else we can see. Napoleon cast. Okay, so we're gonna just stroll all the way down. I will walk along the university to the side. And like an art shop. Okay. Got another one of these cannons. More places to sit. And we got a market, so I think you can sit outside the markets and eat and drink as well. So let me just see. So it looks like we could go down that way. It's a karaoke motel. I think this is all related to the university. So, okay. Anyways, this is kind of just right outside the front gate. And I don't think I'm going to film much more, so we're going to end it. If I do, it's because I saw something that's related. So, field chicken. I just decided, there's an octopus on the field chicken sign. Takoyaki, Japanese. I guess there's a couple different places. So I just was trying to see where I'm going to go next, and I saw I can walk to the beach. So I might actually try to do that if possible. So I think we have to go up this hill and around, and then we're going to be going along the university as we do it, which would be kind of good too. I'm just kind of seeing what's around here. So let's go up there. It's like a little row. So I think maybe students hang out there. There's even a thing that says guitar and says piano. Okay, let's go up that hill. That's a really cool little shop right there. It's like a hotel. It looks good. So, oh, and they also have a tourist map up there too. So I think they have a hotel and it's set up for tourists. So we're gonna keep on going up the hill and seeing what else we got. The next thing we got already is birds. Okay, so let's go up that hill. Karaoke right there. Okay, so we're gonna go up that hill and just kind of see what we can see. Wow, that little karaoke has like a rooftop. Looks like these people are going to the beach. So that implies that the beach must be right up here. Oh, there's the ocean right there. And looks like I can still stick around the library. And there's actually like uphill, so I'm gonna try to stick along the university. They're actually going to the beach right there. And then we got the library. So I'm gonna go up the hill and come down at the beach. Huh. It's funny because I went to the front entrance, and they wouldn't let me in, right? But it looks like I could go in. There's all these other ones that have nobody watching. Check out that. That room looks so cool. Love the housing in Vietnam. Okay. Okay, I found out that stops right there, so I guess I have to go downhill to get to the ocean. So I guess I saw a motorbike come up here, and that looks like a public street as well. So it looks like I have to go down that way. Yeah, it's crazy. You can see the beach in the distance. Hope there's no dogs. Huh. I see like dog shit everywhere, so I know there's dogs here, but I don't know, maybe people just walk the dogs. So let me see. There's a dog right there. It's like there's a street right there, so we'll see. Cat down that way. Okay. Okay, so let me see. We can just go all the way down that way. Hello. So I think this goes all the way down to the beach this way. I'll just keep going downhill. I can tell that it's downhill anyways. But we are getting an idea of what it looks like in the neighborhoods. Lots of families. Okay. Okay. I see the ocean. There it is. Whew. Okay, so now we're coming out to this main road. Wow. It's nice. Pretty cool. And then there's a science technology building. And looks like there's also an overpass right there that I could have taken. Huh. So that's the university up on that hill. I guess I can see some of the buildings right up there too. And then right here I can see the ocean, including this kind of cool looking temple that's out in the middle of the water over there. Okay, I'm gonna just walk down this street a little bit, and then we'll try to film the university from a different angle if I can see it. So the university is up on the hill. There's a guy watering something up there. And now I can see the skyline a little bit, which is kind of nice to see. And then there's also this temple over there, which is really interesting to see. And I believe right there we're looking at the university again from the ocean view side, and there's like shoe gaming. But at nighttime this looks kind of interesting. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video for here. And I think when I saw those people walking, there must be a beach down that way. But I want to get to the main beach. This is kind of outside the city, just a tiny little bit. So we're going to end it for Nha Trang University.